Hi guys, good morning. So just like every video, I want you to go ahead and pause this video, copy down the notes into your notepads or into your math notebooks so that you can follow along with me without having to copy notes while the video is going. So today's getting ready for 5th grade lesson is division with 2-digit divisors. Now we've done this before. In a lot of your basic math quizzes, you've had 2-digit divisors with 3 or more numbers as your dividend. So today we're doing just that. We're again practicing how to divide a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. I want to review with you the process of division. Make sure that the first step you do is dividing. Then you multiply, subtract, bring it down, bring it on back. Now, with each step, you have to make sure that you don't forget to do all 4 of these steps. Now, we are dividing 154 divided by 11. So, since we're starting to divide with 2 digits, we have to start with the first 2 digits. So, we're going to think 15 divided by 11. What number times 11 gets me very close to 15? The only number would be 1. So I place the 1 over the 5 because we're using the whole 15. I divide it. Now I'm going to multiply. 1 times 11 is 11. I put it under my 15 and now I subtract. 5 minus 1, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. My next step is to bring it down. I bring down my next number, my new number to divide. After I bring it down, I bring it back, meaning I'm going to start again from the beginning. I divide 44 divided by 11. That means what number times 11 gets me close to 44 or something that equals 44? And that would be 4. 4, going over the 4 because that's what you brought down. 4 times 11 is 44. So now I'm going to put my new answer here to break down the number. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. And I don't have any other numbers to bring down, so I don't have to bring it back. That means I'm done. Here we see that 154 divided by 11 equals 14. Since there's no remainder, that means I don't, since 0 is a remainder, I don't have anything remaining. That means it's equally divided. Here I can double check my work by multiplying 14 times 11, and that should give me 154. So I'm going to come to the side again. I'm going to write check because this is how I'm going to check my work. I'm going to multiply 14 times 11. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 1, 1. I put my placeholder. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 1, 1. I now add both multiplications. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 1 plus 0 is 1. And 154. I'm going to do another example for you, so that we can continue practicing the the divide, multiply, bring down, subtract, bring down, and bring it on back method. So we're going to use now 135 divided by 15. Okay? Now here, I already see what numbers I need to put in the box and what number I need to go put outside. So the first number goes inside your box, and the second number goes outside. So I'm going to set up my division. Okay, now if I see that I'm looking at my first 2 numbers and they're smaller than my divisor, then this is telling me that I need to use the entire number. And now I need to think, what times 15 would get me close to 135? Since I don't know my 15 facts, I would always start around 5 or 6 to see whether I need to go further up or if I need to come down. So off to the side, I'm going to do my multiplication, and I'm going to start with 5. It's in the middle. It'll kind of let me know where I need to go up or down. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. That gives me 75. This means I need to go higher with my multiplication to figure out what can I use to divide. So here I'm going to try 15 times 7. Since I know that 7 times 5 is going to end in a 5 and this one also ends in a 5, I think that it might be beneficial to use 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 3, that's 10. That's 105. I'm still not there, but I'm close. I'm going to use now 15 times 9. That gives me 45. So I'm going to carry my 4, and that gives me 135. I've found my multiplication. So that means that 135 divided by 15 is 9. Since I've done my multiplication here, I already know and I've already checked it. 9 times 15 is 135, and because I used the entire number, okay, that's why my number goes in the last place value. Here it's 0, 0, and 0. My multiplication is down here, so it's been checked, so this is correct, okay? When you're dividing, I need you guys to make sure that you have enough space on your separate sheet of paper or on the back of the paper that you printed out, or in your notebook when you're doing the even numbers of today's worksheet for division. Today, you are also going to be receiving another video that helps you divide from Math Antics. So I'm hoping that this was clear. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I'm going to go over it one more time. Please remember the steps. You're going to look at the 2 digits outside and the first 2 digits. If they can divide, then you use these 2 digits to begin with. 15 divided by 11. That gives me 1. 1 times 11, 11. I subtract. I got 4. I brought down my next number. It's 44. Now I divide again. 44 divided by 11, 4, because 4 times 11 is 44. I subtract. Because there's nothing else to bring down, my remainder is 0. That means that this number is equally divided into 11. And my quotient is 14. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope you have a phenomenal learning day. Have a great day and good luck on I'm Ready today.